What is going on today, folks? It is June 1st, 2026. Let's see what we are working with today. Wow, okay. What is that? Okay, I think I might have a plan of attack here. Let's just get the environment set up. And then I am going to just get this background color here. Okay, so it seems like one, two, three, four. It seems like two radial gradients, maybe three. Hmm. Hmm. I think it could be. I think it could be. So here's my theory. We have kind of like a square. The square being kind of like this, and that's going to be like mustard or whatever that color is. And we're going to have one radial gradient. That's going to be this one here, and it's going to stretch all the way to include this one. And we're going to have two radial gradients, which is going to be, whoa, which is going to be these massive circles up here. One totally clipped off, but it will give us that arch, and it's going to duplicate the four times. And then the third radial gradient, so one, two, and the third one will be just dead in the center. And I think that's how we're going to do this. I think. But now, just thinking about this, I don't know how I'm going to get the radial gradient to unless we make it a conic gradient where we can control the width and height. So let's kind of go with that approach. We'll go background. We'll do black, and then we'll do margin 50 px. So where are we? 50, 70, perfect. I don't need the px, but I just write it anyway out of habit. And then I have top and bottom is right, and then we have 50. No, 70. 100? No. 90. Okay, 90 it is. And then we can do, I guess we could do a linear gradient for the, yeah, let's do that. So if we go from here, we'll compare like we did yesterday, the linear gradient versus the conic gradient. So we'll go from 115 to 280. Oh gosh. 115 to 280. Linear, whoa, linear gradient. Uh, 90-degree 115 to 280. So 215, 100. And then we have 80 minus 15, 70, 65. 265? I don't know. Obviously, math is not my. Or 160, 165. Let's go 165 px. And then we'll just go with transparent. 0. And we are going to move this over. We'll shift it over, let's say 30 px. 25? I think that's about right. Wow, my math be mathin'. Okay, so yeah, okay, so basically I was gonna go with, I was gonna compare that against a conic gradient at 165 px, 165 px. This color, oh, well, rather, this color, 75%, this color, 0. Oh, do we come out ahead? Let's remove all of these. Okay, and then I could, same story here, remove, remove. Okay. So basically, I'm trying to see if I Oh, okay, I still need to position this. So if I just, yeah, I'll have to go, or 25. So linear comes out ahead by being less characters. So I'll keep that there. And then I'm going to now I'm going to notch out the edges with a radial gradient. If we have the radius, which is say from 115 to 170, that is 115 to 170. 150, 65, right? We'll go with 1Q. I think it's already, so 165 px. I need the color. 165, and then we go with, right, 0. And we need that comma, right? Radial gradient, 1Q. Am I doing something wrong here? I'm doing something wrong. Oh, 165. That's wrong, right? Okay, 1Q. And then we have, well, I guess we could assume the one in the middle. Let's go 200 to, we'll go 50. 50 pixels. Oh, that's not a 0. So that's 1, I guess. If I do that again, but this time we're gonna do now, we're gonna have, what are we gonna have? We're gonna position this one. We'll go minus 30 px, 60, and then minus 60 px. So maybe a bit more, minus 70, minus 80, and then here minus 80 as well. Fantabulous. So we got, I mean, I guess I can try to, I'm gonna try to extract this and make it a dash dash R for radial gradient, and we're gonna just do that. And we are going to call that both of these times var, boom, well, var. What's going on here? I cannot type today. There we go. But here we're not done. We need to kind of also make it so that this goes from, so including, let's go from here. So what is it? 165. Let's go 165 px. And now we just need to kind of make sure. So I guess the height is right. Yeah, it's just this one. 80. We'll go 70, 60, 50, 40, 50. 165, 155. Oh no, what am I doing here? I don't like guessing. Okay, 165. Okay. We go from 115 to 175. 115 to 175. No, 275. So that's 110, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 160. Am I losing my mind? 160. Oh, nailed it. Perfect. Only 9 minutes and 36 seconds. And now the final one is another radial gradient. This one is going to be, let's say this goes from 90 to 115, so 25. So we'll go this mustard color. Well, first of all, 1Q, this color, 25 px, followed by transparent 0. Look at that. And now we're just gonna move it. We'll go minus 50 px. 50 px. Work with me here. 100. No. Is it the right height? 135? Is 35? Nope. 30? Okay, 100, 90? No. Let's do 80. There we go, 80. And this is gonna be, if we go 90 to 250, so that's 160, 160 px. Okay, let's just move it now less than that, 50. Oh my god, nailed it. Submit. Let's see what we're working with here. 100%. Let's see. 100%, 617. Okay, let's get rid of all of these. Can I do... I cannot. Oh, man. Okay. Nope. Spaces after commas. Is there any offenders? There is. Get rid of those. Get rid of the... Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. All right. Try one more time. 643. Global stats. I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. All right. I'll take it. Wonderful. 12 minutes in. If you guys are still here, I appreciate you guys hanging around till the very end. It means a lot. Thank you so much. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye bye.